Here's the updated list of the top 10 soul albums of 1977, along with their total sales and the top 3 songs from each album based on sales or radio play. 1. The Brothers Johnson. Total sales 2 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Strawberry Letter 23. 2. I'll Be Good to You. 3. Get the Funk Out My Face. 2. Rejoice the Emotions. Total sales 1.5 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Best of My Love. 2. Don't Ask My Neighbors. 3. Blessed. 3. Love Storm Love Unlimited Orchestra. Total sales 1 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. My Sweet Summer Sweet. 2. Satellite Love. 3. Hey Look at Me, I'm in Love. 4. Right on Time, The Brothers Johnson. Total sales 1.5 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Strawberry Letter 23. 2. Runnin' for Your Lovin'. 3. Never Leave You Lonely. 5. Showdown the Isley Brothers. Total sales 1 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Footsteps in the Dark. 2. Groove with You. 3. Take Maine to the Next Phase. 6. Unmistakably Lou Rawls. Total sales 1 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. See You When I Get There. 2. Lady Love. 3. Let Me Be Good to You. 7. Gettin' It Billy Preston. Total sales 500,000 copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Nothing from Nothing. 2. Will It Go Round in Circles. 3. Outer Space. 8. The Message Harold Melvin The Blue Notes. Total sales 800,000 copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Don't Leave Me This Way. 2. Wake Up Everybody. 3. Bad Luck. 9. Never Say You Can't Survive, Curtis Mayfield. Total sales 700,000 copies. Top 3 songs. 1. So in Love. 2. You Are. 3. Never Say You Can't Survive. 10. I Am Earth, Wind, Fire. Total sales 3 million copies. Top 3 songs. 1. Boogie Wonderland. 2. After the Love Is Gone. 3. In the Stone. These albums not only achieved significant sales but also left a lasting impact on the soul music landscape of 1977, with their standout tracks becoming classics in the genre.